All right, in today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, and I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you need to buy Bitcoin today. That's right, 5 reasons to buy Bitcoin today. But first, we're going to talk about the market, because this is why we're going to talk about Bitcoin, because there's nothing to talk about in the market with the Dow being down 175, NASDAQ down 82, S&P down 24. Look at all that red. Look at the heat map. Just looks red. But on the Christmassy side, sprinkle a little green in there. But what's green? Bitcoin, crypto, Litecoin, ETH. This stuff is rallying. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin today. And I'm going to give you the 5 reasons why you need to buy Bitcoin right now. But before I do, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. All right, so here we go. Number 1, this is the monthly chart, right? And here is Bitcoin. I'm going to draw a trend line because this is, ever since November 21, this thing has been on a downtrend. A downtrend. And that downtrend is now broken right there. It's simple. This is the downtrend. Now it's not downtrended. It crossed the line. That means the downtrend is broken for now, even though we have sideways movement. Number 2, look at the monthly stochastic. And y'all know I like the monthly stochastic. Look at that. Look how it's starting to point up. It's in the oversold area, which is okay. But I like how the fast and slow lines are splitting from each other and they're pointing up, and it's about to break this 20 area. All right, so I like what I'm seeing with the slow stochastic. That's what I use, the slow stochastic. And let's go to the daily chart and let me show you what I like about Bitcoin and why you need to buy it right now as number 3. And that's right here, the daily volume, right? The daily volume is starting to explode. Look at this move, right? Look at that. If you go to the weekly, you don't necessarily see it yet because we still got today and we still got tomorrow, but this will be up here somewhere, right? Number 4, let's go back to the weekly. The weekly recent resistance is about to be broken, and that's right here, right? So this is the resistance, and this is what Bitcoin is fighting through. And I'm going to change charts. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart so you can see it a little better. Maybe my line is a little off, but you can see it right here. This is where that line needed to be. How about if I remove that? Remove that and draw it. This is what it's fighting through right now. It needs to break these highs right here, and it's gonna do it. How do I know? Look at the volume. Look at the volume, man. It's like a truck driving through a brick wall. It's not gonna do it if it's going really slow, but if it's going fast, it's like the wall won't even be there. And that's what I look at when I see this volume right here. So that is number 4. Number 5, let's go back to the weekly. And I want you to look at the moving averages I use. I use the 9 and 20 period moving average. And look at the crossover on that, right? So we had it on the monthly, on the stochastic. Now we got it on the weekly as well on the 9 and moving simple moving averages. That's all that is. And this is what, these moving averages are pretty solid. This is solid right here. When this crosses, it's time to buy. Happened here, right? Here was the time to sell. You probably, I guess you could have got in, made a little bit, but not much. But you would have got out here on the crossover and you would have missed it. You would have missed the whole down move. Now it's crossing back. Finally after a year and a half. And it's not just the crossover. We have a lot of confirmation, right? We broke the monthly downtrend, right? We got the monthly stochastic looking good. We got the volume. And we're about to break this weekly resistance. So, and we also got the crossover, right? So there's the 5 reasons that I think you should buy Bitcoin right now while the stock market is kind of down for today, even though I'm still bullish on that. I am. So let's review. Number 1, the monthly downtrend. Go back to the monthly chart. There's a downtrend broken. Number 2, the monthly stochastic, right? Looking good, pointing up. Number 3, the daily volume, right? Look at the daily volume. Look at that volume right there and look at the move. Oh, it's crazy. Number 4, resistance. We're about to break it. We're going through it. Why? Because this volume, I'm telling you, we're going through it. Number 5, the weekly crossover. Go back to the weekly. There's the 9 and 20 period weekly average crossing over, confirming that Bitcoin is not doing what it used to do. It's doing what it used to do. And that's go up. That's all it is. All right. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, hit the, what is it? The heart, the bell, the thumbs up, hit all that stuff that you can possibly hit, and get in the comments and tell me if you agree with me, or tell me if you don't. Tell me where you think Bitcoin is about to make its move. I'm Dre Trades, and I'm out.